Hello everyone, in this video I'm gonna make this beautiful puff flower to be embellishments for larger project. This is what it looks like. If you are ready, now let's get started. The materials are small amounts of cotton yarns, 2.25mm crochet hook, and a pair of scissors. Firstly, make a slip knot, then make 4 chains. Make a slip stitch in chain 1, make 1 chain, make 6 single crochet in a chain circle. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then make a slip stitch in a very first single crochet. Now make 2 chains, 1, 2, then make a puff in the same stitch. This puff is made of 6 incomplete double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then yarn over, pull it through all loops and make 1 secure chain. Make 2 chains again. Make a slip stitch in the next stitch. Well, the first puff is ready. Now I'm going to show you how to make the second one. Start with 2 chains, then make a puff in the same stitch. This puff is made of 6 incomplete double crochet, it's like the first one. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yarn over, pull it through all loops, make 1 secure chain, then make 2 chains and a slip stitch in the next 1 stitch. To make the third puff, start with 2 chains just like before, make 6 incomplete double crochet in the same stitch, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yarn over, pull it through all loops, chain 1 as a secure chain. Now chain 2, make a slip stitch in the next 1 stitch, make another 2 chains to make the fourth puff petal. This puff is made of 6 incomplete double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yarn over, pull it through all loops and secure with chain 1, chain 2, and slip stitch in the next one stitch. Make 2 chains again to make the 5th puff petal. 6 incomplete double crochet in the same stitch. 3, 4, 5, 6. Now yarn over, pull it through all loops and make 1 chain to secure the stitches. Then chain 2 and slip stitch in the next stitch. Then make the last puff pattern, start with chain 2 and make 6 incomplete double crochet in the same stitch. 4, 5, 6. Yarn over, pull it through all loops and secure with a chain 1. Make the last 2 chains and slip stitch at the stitch where you make the first 2 chains for the first puff pattern. Cut the yarn. Then adjust it. Use the crochet hook to hide these yarn tails inside of the puff petal like this. Cut this yarn tail. Finally, this puff blouse is ready. Can be used as embellishment for your larger projects. Mellow grids on your hats, bag, and a blanket. I hope you like it. See you again in the next video. Have a good day, happy crochet, and assalamualaikum.